We often gaze up at the stars, dreaming of distant worlds and unknown galaxies. We imagine strange new life forms and alien landscapes, thinking that the greatest mysteries lie far beyond our own planet. Yet there is a vast, unexplored wilderness right here on Earth, a world more alien than we can possibly imagine. This is the deep ocean. It covers more than 2/3 of our world, yet honestly we have seen more of the moon's surface than we have of our own seabed. It is a place of profound darkness, crushing pressure and secrets that have been kept for millions of years, just waiting patiently for us to find them. The sheer scale of our ignorance is quite astonishing. If you were to map our knowledge of the oceans, you would find great empty spaces. These are not merely empty of detail. They are voids in our understanding of life on our own planet. For centuries, sailors told tales of sea monsters and krakens, stories born from fleeting glimpses into this mysterious realm. Today, science is beginning to pull back the curtain, but each discovery only seems to reveal how much more there is to learn. The deep sea is not just an environment, it is the largest living space on Earth, and it remains almost entirely a mystery to us. This great watery expanse is the true final frontier. While we send rovers to Mars and telescopes to peer at the edge of the universe, we are only just developing the technology to withstand the immense challenges of the deep. Remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, are our brave explorers, descending into a world where no human could survive unprotected. They are our eyes and hands in this dark, silent world. Each dive they make is a journey into the unknown, a mission that could rewrite our understanding of biology, geology, and even the very origins of life itself. It is a humbling thought, isn't it? That after centuries of exploration, after mapping every continent and climbing every mountain, the greatest wilderness remains right here, beneath the waves. It challenges our perception of discovery. We do not need to look to the stars to find wonders that defy imagination. We simply need to look down into the great blue heart of our own world. The secrets it holds are not just about strange creatures, they are about the resilience of life, the history of our planet, and perhaps our own future. The journey into the deep is just beginning. Our journey begins at the surface, where sunlight dances on the waves and life is abundant. But as we descend, the world changes dramatically and quickly. The first zone we pass through is the sunlight zone, the familiar world of coral reefs and playful dolphins. But below 200 meters we enter a different realm altogether, the twilight zone. Here the sunlight fades to a faint ghostly blue. It is not enough for photosynthesis, so plants cannot grow. The creatures that live here have adapted to this dim, ethereal world, often with large eyes to capture every last photon of light. As we continue our descent, beyond 1,000 meters, we enter the midnight zone. Here, the last vestiges of sunlight are gone completely. We are now in a world of absolute, perpetual darkness, a blackness that has been unbroken for millennia. The pressure here is immense, a crushing weight that would instantly destroy any land-based creature. It is difficult to comprehend this pressure. It is like having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on every square inch of your body. And yet, against all odds, life not only exists here, but it thrives in the most remarkable ways. To survive in this extreme environment, life has had to become incredibly inventive. In the absence of sunlight, many creatures have developed their own light through a magical process called bioluminescence. They create flashes, glows, and shimmering displays to attract prey, find mates, or startle predators in the inky blackness. It is a silent underwater fireworks show that illuminates the abyss with strange and beautiful patterns. This ability to create light is not a mere novelty, it is a fundamental tool for survival in a world where sight, as we know it, is useless. The cold is another constant challenge. Down here the water temperature is only a few degrees above freezing, a stable but unforgiving chill. The lack of food means that life moves at a slower pace. Many animals have slow metabolisms, allowing them to survive for long periods between meals. They are masters of energy conservation, waiting patiently in the dark for an opportunity to arise. Every aspect of their existence, from their bodies to their behavior, has been shaped by the three great challenges of the deep: the darkness, the pressure,